Hello guys and girls, welcome to ifactner.com top interview question tutorial series. In today's tutorial, we will discuss what should we tell when an interviewer or a team of interviewers ask us, tell me or tell us about yourself. Tell me about yourself is a type of a question which gives us an opportunity to present ourselves in a positive manner. Or we can ruin that opportunity and give a negative impression to the interviewers. In this tutorial, I will tell you what we shouldn't be telling about ourselves when interviewers ask us, tell us about yourself. What should we know to answer this question besides ourselves? And what we should be telling them in response to this question. We will finish this tutorial with the what's next section. Let's start. What we shouldn't be telling about ourselves when an interviewer asks us, tell me about yourself. You shouldn't tell about your life history. For example, I was born in 1980 in dash dash dash. I had 2 siblings. My parents were very poor. My father was working here and there. Don't do that. It's a no-no. And don't start by telling all the bullet points in your CV, because the interviewer has already got your CV and most probably he or she has already read it. So don't start that, as you can see in my CV, I have a mission to join a company and my education background is number 1 this, number 2 this, number 3 this. Don't do it. It's a big no-no. And don't start telling your personal details. For example, I was born in this. I was married to a very good girl. Then I got divorced, etc. Don't do it. And don't talk too long, because each interview has got some time limitations. So you have to be precise and to the point, and you have to be short. Then if we don't tell them these things, then what should we tell them? Before answering this question, I will tell you what you should know before answering. You should at least know the job description. Always read the job description in detail and look what they are looking for the right candidate. Guess what is the interviewer looking for? If it's a face-to-face interview, then you can judge what an interviewer is looking for by looking at his appearance. If he is a young, energetic person, if he is a male or female, if he is an old person, and so on and so forth, and you can guess what he is looking for or she is looking for in the right candidate. and always research the company, about the company, visits its website and its operations. You should know all these things: what the company does, what in which industry does the company operate, is it a service oriented company or a product oriented company, what kind of operations it does, and so on and so forth. So you have to do a little research before going for an interview, and you should know this to answer your question. And at least you should know the mission, vision of the company, so you can use those keywords in answering your question. Tell me about yourself. Sometimes it is possible to know about the interviewer, because in the interview letter, usually it is stated that Mr. ABC or Miss ABC will be conducting the interview. So do a little research about the interviewer as well. So these are the least things which you should know before telling about yourself. So what should you tell? You should tell about your present status. If you are doing a job, then you can tell them that presently I'm working for ABC as a branch manager. Then this is your present or current situation, and then you should tell about your past relevant experience or relevant qualifications if you don't have the relevant experience. And then you should tell them about your future plan. This future plan should be based on the job description, the company vision, mission and its operation, and you may include some words or phrases based on the interviewer's background. So if he is a pure technical person, then you can say that I would like to be an engineering executive, or if he is an HR person, you should be using those few words. So you tell them with your present, then go to your past, and then you should jump to the future plans. And if you don't have any experience in the past, then and you are a fresh graduate, then you tell them that I am looking for a job. In past, I have done MBA. During my MBA, I did this project which is relevant to the job, and in the future I would like to be this person who is right for the job and the company. You have to be precise and to the point. You should do it in maximum 5 to 6 lines. Just take 1 or 2 minutes to answer this question. Why? Because interviewer has already got your cover letter. They have already read your CV or resume, and that's why they have invited you. And now they want to see if you know if you are relevant to the job or not. So guys, if you would like to see my previous job questions tutorial, then please click here. For next job questions tutorial, please click here. For the whole playlist of ifactner's top job questions and answers series, click here. Please visit ifactner.com to read my blog or related to this question. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time. Until then, take care. Bye bye.